I owned the 86. It's my first ever black car, and if you guys don't know, black cars are notorious for being one of the hardest colors to take care of. First off, they get dirty really easily, and second off, the swirls and all the scratches that happens on black paint is way more noticeable than any other paint that's out there. Ever since owning this car, I've learned a lot of trial and error with trying to figure out what works best for taking care of the paint and making sure that I don't get any scratches doing so. If you do own a black car, make sure you guys look into getting your car's paint corrected and ceramic coated. The paint correction pretty much gets rid of any of the swirls or marring or any kind of imperfections that are on the surface of the paint. You get your car ceramic coated, it pretty much takes care of taking care of your paint throughout its life and making sure that it minimizes any scratches or any swirls that come about. And it gives you that cool beading effect. Shine Armor luckily reached out to me to test out their graphene ceramic spray. It pretty much gives it very similar properties as a traditional ceramic coating will do, but in a more convenient and user-friendly way to do it. There's a little bit of haziness to the paint, but you know, with a little bit of elbow grease and just like working away and buffing away the detail spray, pretty much goes away. Good job, Shine Armor. Pretty good. So pretty much after you coat the panel, you're gonna wait a couple minutes to let it settle in. Then you go ahead and get another microfiber towel and you buff off the surface and you're done. That is not bad at all. Very, very shiny. If you do have a ceramic coating, the spray also helps maintain your ceramic coating as well. So this isn't just for any car that wants to have that ceramic coating finish. It is actually very beneficial for those that actually do have ceramic coatings on their car, because this also helps maintain that ceramic coating and to keep the beading properties and everything in line so your ceramic coating can last a lot longer. Very simple and easy way to get a ceramic coat like finish and benefits on your car. Pretty good. But we are not done. This is our shop car, and this car has no sort of ceramic coating on it. It is not really as taken care of as my 86. So I feel like this detail spray will be a great test on this and to see if it does give it that water beading benefit as it says it does. Test probably wasn't the best way to demonstrate its properties. Maybe this thing does have some kind of coating on it, because even without the coating or anything, it still like repelled water pretty well, and then it kind of did the same thing. So I say it did its work pretty well. The surface is pretty shiny now. I wish I filmed it before. I was just too excited, but dang is it shiny. So yeah, not only does it give you that ceramic coating properties, but it makes your paint pretty shiny. And it leaves a good, slick finish. Look how that thing just flew off. Look at it doesn't even stick. So if you guys are looking for those ceramic coating properties without actually paying the big bucks to get a proper ceramic coating, this works just as well. Keep in mind, this obviously isn't gonna last as long as a proper ceramic coating. That's why this is just as a temporary use or a temporary product to use in the meantime if you want to decide to get a ceramic coating or not. Thank you again, Shine Armor, for sending in your product. It is great working with you guys, and thanks for making my box. Oh, I missed. It don't even stick.
She wanna check on me, I'm good. Don't worry about me, I'm on my own. If you ain't around me, can't check this wood. Crop the coupe, the roof too low. Squatting, I can't hit my head. like I never left. I've been taking this in steps, make sure this shit work the best. I still came through, even when I ain't need to. Lately, it's only me inside this coupe, baby, no me and you. Tin it up, can't see.